we are going to take some luscious red and ripe tomatoes. We have here about 850 grams of fresh tomatoes. Now cut every tomato into 4 slices. Ensure that you remove the white portion of the insides of the tomato from the top itself. So we don't want them to be a part of the ketchup. Other than the tomato, we need 5 clove pieces and also a small piece of cinnamon. Now we have all the tomatoes sliced. We are going to boil them. And we'll be adding around half cup of water, which is 100 ml to be specific. Five cloves and cinnamon are also added now, along with the half cup of water. So you can now see that the tomatoes are getting boiled. Now what we also need additionally is 1 onion. We're going to slice it and add it to the tomatoes. And besides, we have some 6 peeled garlic cloves. We're also going to be adding those to the ketchup or ketchup mix. Mix these well and then keep a lid over the vessel so that it boils. This might take about 5 to 10 minutes until the tomatoes completely boil. Now the tomato mix is boiled well and it has been kept for cooling for some time now. And we will transfer the contents to a mixie in order to grind it. But before that, we are going to remove the cinnamon and some of the cloves so that the taste does not get bitter. We are going to filter the contents so as to remove the tomato that has not been fully grinded. Rather fully squashed. So finally, the tomato that we get in the filter will be again wet up in the mixie, so that finally we get a good paste of the tomato. Final grinded tomato paste here, or should I call it puree. So there's some amount of water also, as you see, and we are going to be now boiling it. Along with that, we'll be adding a couple of ingredients here that we had not mentioned in the initial phase. So we need some salt to taste, chili powder. The quantity will depend on how spicy you want it to be. Some sugar. And then some vinegar, which acts as a preservative, but then you need not add too much because just about 2 spoons will do, and it is definitely not going to be harmful. Add the salt. We are adding about 2 teaspoons of salt.
Wow, that's very cool.
And for some medium spice, we are adding, that would be 2 teaspoons of chili powder.
Yeah.
Stir the mixture well on medium flame.
Yeah, and mix it very well. And again, it's the quantity of how much. 1 action.
Okay, now we are adding
Sugar.
That's about 3 teaspoons for this entire paste.
I want to
Because you don't want it to be too sweet also.
I want to ask the chef.
Now we are also adding the vinegar.
Wow.
The sauce is finally ready and we are going to allow it to cool down. Note the change in the consistency and color. So finally we have the ketchup made and stored in our container. It's about 430 grams. We just weighed it and saw, and it's pretty delicious also. This is chemical free, preservative free and safe homemade ketchup.